This is going to be dinner for tonight. It is called fricassé de pollo, or chicken fricassé, I guess you will say it in English. Very easy to make. It's been in a slow cooker all day. So I'm about to get ready and serve it up. Alright. This along with some rice. It's already done. Woohoo! Sorry about the smoke, people. But this is going to be dinner tonight. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy in my tummy. This is so easy, very flavorful, very filling, and yeah, it's something that's been cooking on its own, so saved me time from having to be in the kitchen. And after I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and declutter my car for 15 minutes and finish my week with the FlyLady system. If you're following along, today is purse and car day. So my car's pretty clean because we did it on Monday, but want to see what kind of a clutter mess the kids have made there during the week. So let's chow down and get to getting. It is over, and I'm going to quickly declutter the car. If I have enough time, I'll go ahead and just pass a dry rag through the outside too to take some of the dust off. Like I said, we did clean the car on Monday, so it shouldn't be that bad. But having teenagers and teenage drivers, we shall soon see what the condition is inside. And basically, I'm just going to be removing the garbage from the inside. The lighting is going down, so I'm going to do this as quickly as possible. I went ahead and gave it a quick dusting, nothing major, less than 15 minutes. I decluttered all of the paperwork inside, some receipts, some straws, and I just basically went ahead and dusted off all the rugs. And I'm being joined by my daughter's friends. I'm Mexican. Oh my goodness. Not occupied. They're driving me crazy. But anyways, I wanted to get this for you guys, out to you guys. So next thing is going to be date night, and I'm going to go inside, get dressed, and get ready for tonight, and we're out. All right, thank you guys so much.
Welcome to this new car where everything is perfect.
Get out.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to hit the little notification bell so you're the first one to know when my videos come out. And thank you for joining me with the FlyLady system. Let me know if you guys are joining in and if you like the system. Thank you so much.